you don't have a tuner, then this is the natural way to tune your guitar. So number 1 string is E, then B, G, D, A, E. So E, B, G, D, A, E, the string names. Now how to tune your guitar is, you have to press it on the 2nd string or B string on the 5th fret, and now you have to play the E string or 1st string open. So the E string and B string, or the 1st string and 2nd string, will sound similar, same. Yeah. So 5th fret on the 2nd string and 1st string is open. So it had to be sound similar. Now on the 3rd string, 4th number fret and B string or 2nd number string open. So 2nd number string open and 3rd number string on the 4th fret. It had to sound similar. Now same on the 3rd string, open, 4th string on the 5th fret. Then again 4th string open, 5th string on the 5th string. Same sound. Then same on the 6th string on the 5th fret and 5th string open. So this is the standard tuning of guitar. If it isn't sound similar, then you have to tight or loose according to your guitar sound. So this is the natural way to tune your guitar. Now I'll show you how to tune your guitar with the tuner. It's an easy way. So there is an app, or you can buy a tuner. So there is an app on Android or iPhone on the Play Store and iOS Store, App Store. So this one is Guitar Tuner. So all you have to do is just set it on the auto mode here. Now play the open string. So the 1st number string is E. It will show you. Perfect. Now 2nd string B. Now 3rd string G. 4th string D, 5th string A. Now this is showing too low, so it means your A string is not in tune. Now you have to make it tight. The A string means 5th number string. You have to tight a little bit. Now it will show you. Perfect. Now on the E number string of 6th string. So this is how to tune your guitar with a tuner. If it is not perfect, then you have to make it loose or tight according to your guitar sound. So that's it guys, that's for all. Thanks for watching. If this will help you, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.